Whakapau atu nā kau ki te whakawhirinaki ki ai hoa. Kaua hoki e oki oki ki tau mātou ronga ake e tau ara katoa whakaaro ki ai a. Mana e whakatika tau huara hi katoa. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. Seek his will in all that you do, and he will direct your path. Ngā whakatauki, toru, rima. That comes from Proverbs 3:5. Kia ora whānau, nau mai haere mai ki Kupu Tupu ko Jess aho. My name is Jess, and welcome back to Kupu Tupu Grow in the Word. Today you get to see my true height. No mai haere mai ki te uriwera, ki te taiao o whirinaki. Au e, ka puta mai ngā rākau nui. Behind me I have these beautiful kahikatea and rimu trees. Oh, you just got a full view of them. There you go. So, no mai haere mai, welcome. And the word I wanted to look at today is whakaaro. Whakaaro ki aia. Earlier, we've also done the aroha video, so if you haven't seen that yet, then go and check that out after. So let's look at this word whakaaro. Whakaaro is often translated as a thought or an idea, but let's break it down. So we have whaka and aro. Aro is what you're looking towards, facing at. And then aro can also be what you're thinking about, or what's in your mind. So where is your attention going, your aro? And then we have the word whaka. I remember once I had a tamariki ask me, "Excuse me, miss, why do Māori always say the F word?" There's no F in Māori. And different dialects are going to sound slightly different, but for the most part we have whaka. And the word whaka means the action of. So if rongo was to hear, we can say whakarongo. Listen, the action of hearing. So in this case we have whakaaro, the action of putting your thoughts and ideas into practice, or to start to bring them into form. If we jump into Ephesians 5, we have whakaaro kore, whakaaro nui. Whakaaro kore can be void or without. So in this context it's saying, don't go and act like a fool, but instead become wise. Whakaaro nui. And the word nui, I was sitting with this word and I was like, why did the translator use the word nui? So that's why I thought I'd sit here and look at these rākau. And with them being nui, it's not just about being big. It's also about being expansive. But once they also become big, the nutrients come down for them to actually share and come into the community as well. And I think that's what our whakaaro are like as well. You know, once they go up, they soar beyond heights that we could ever ask, think, or imagine, and then the beloved allows us to bring that through us like hua. It's something to be a blessing to others. There's also the hua video to check out if you haven't seen that already, which talks about the fruit and the blessing. So, kia ora whānau, he paku karakia whakamutunga. We'll just say a little karakia just to finish. E te ariki, kaku iho tokoroa e manaki e runa i a mātou. Kei he te huārihi tika i runa i te whakaaro nui. Kāranga mai, kāranga mai, kāranga mai e te wairua tapu. Tau te rana teratanga, te kaha me te kororia, ake, ameni. Kia ora whānau, he pai tō rā.